Tech companies have laid off more than 70,000 workers in the last few months, and it doesn't look like they're slowing down anytime soon. You see, the U.S. is struggling with inflation, and the Federal Reserve is continuing to raise interest rates, causing tech companies to see the most amount of layoffs. And as a result of this, people are out of work, people are looking for jobs, people are trying to start side hustles. And if you're someone who doesn't want to start their own business, you don't want to use Fiverr or Upwork to have a side hustle, there's still some opportunities out there in order to find tech-specific jobs. Many people just turn to LinkedIn, just try to find jobs online. But me personally, when I was looking for jobs in the tech space, I turned to one platform in particular that I found very resourceful, and I wanted to share it with you guys because we have seen an increased amount of layoffs as of recently, and Bets Recruiting is a platform that I use, and I want to go over exactly how to use the platform, benefits of it, and actually a cryptocurrency that they are launching that you get paid for just engaging and using the platform, which is very, very exciting. You guys know I like cryptocurrency, I like the tech industry, and this has always been something that I've used. So what we've seen is that Bets Recruiting is a 14-year-old company. It's by no means a small company. It's been around just as long as some of the top recruiting and professional companies in the space like LinkedIn have been around for, and it's a $20 million tech recruiting company. It has a two-year-old talent acquisition platform that connects hundreds of different top tech companies, Fortune 500 companies with over 250,000 people currently using their platform. So it is continuing to grow and continuing to expand, and every single year you're seeing major names adding jobs and looking for positions on this platform. We can see that they focus a lot on different sales, marketing, customer success roles, and specifically the tech industry right now, but they do have plans of expanding outwards and into other sectors moving forward, but right now specifically in the tech industry, which is what I'm most passionate about. So if you're looking for a tech job right now, the cool thing about this platform and the way it works is despite however many layoffs there are, despite how many people are looking for jobs, it's that you still could be rewarded for simply engaging and using the platform and being a part of their talent network. Right now, with many layoffs, tens of thousands in the US, you can't place everyone in jobs because companies just aren't filling every single position. But with Bets Recruiting, their platform Connect, and RecruitCoin, you can actually benefit from simply using the platform. And when you're looking at the platform right here, you can see that Bets Connect is ultimately trying to be the future of hiring. It's a SaaS hiring platform, and its sole goal is to focus on helping people get jobs in the tech space. Coming up, they're going to be launching RecruitCoin, which is a cryptocurrency project that helps to engage and promote the entire community that they are building, which they've been building for over 14 plus years. And you can see that RecruitCoin is currently on pre-sale. They have a long and extensive roadmap of what's coming ahead, but the benefits of RecruitCoin and what it's actually solving is that right now there is a problem in the recruiting space, and that is that trust in the recruiting industry is simply not there. Everyone's been pitched by a recruiter on LinkedIn. You get thousands of different messages. You see all these different advertisements for recruiters, and a lot of the time, these jobs have nothing to do with your background. You don't have any experience. They simply just don't apply to you. And what happens is that you realize later on that LinkedIn or some of these other companies end up selling your data. They make money that way. That's lack of trust that loses so much from employers and employees. It just creates a very bad environment. So with RecruitCoin, what they're ultimately doing is they're revolutionizing how recruiting works by leveraging the power of blockchain technology. And ultimately, everyone in Bets Connect Talent Network will receive RecruitCoin as payment of being part of it. So you don't have to worry about just joining a platform or filling out applications and these companies selling your data. With RecruitCoin, ultimately just being a part of the network, you are able to generate a little bit of rewards, passive income from simply being a part of the network. You get paid out in RecruitCoin, and obviously over time, as this platform continues to grow, right now hundreds of different companies and over 250,000 users. But as it continues to grow, this utility is only going to increase. The value of this token is only going to get more and more long term. So you can also make referrals to generate more RecruitCoin, but ultimately this is the differentiator. with many platforms right now. You submit applications, you use platforms, they sell your data, you don't even get the jobs. With RecruitCoin and Bets Recruiting, that's not how it works. In addition to this, when you look at this right now, they have a token pre-sale, which is running from January 4th to January 31st, as well as a public sale that's going to be taking place February 1st to February 7th, second public sale from February 8th to February 14th, and so on. You can see all the details right here. The key thing about this is that this platform has been around for over 10 years already, and it's been continuing to grow. You can see that its ICO is coming up soon, and if you are looking for a job in the tech industry, it's definitely worth checking out. You can see that I have already filled out an application. I've already connected my wallet. I'm just waiting for identity verification, KYC. But after that, I'm going to go ahead, make sure to look at the different jobs on the platform, start generating rewards in the future with RecruitCoin. And ultimately, I'm just looking at ways that people can get tech jobs right now with all these layoffs going on. So if you are someone who has been laid off from one of the big tech companies, whether it be Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Shopify, Salesforce, it doesn't matter. Go ahead, check out Bets Recruiting and their platform called Connect. It helps over 250,000 people. They have over 100 different large companies that are actively looking for employees. And by being part of the network, you will be paid out in RecruitCoin over time. So they do have this pre-sale right now going on, but definitely worth checking out in my opinion.